Oh. I'm like, what the mice?
Been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm MyleeRainelle. Thank you so much for watching and clicking on this video. I'm officially 1 year in business and I'm so excited for that. It's been such an amazing ride, and without the help of like my loved ones, my family, my friends, I probably would have folded by now. For you fellow business owners out there who are now starting or who are currently in business, I'm just here to remind you like to keep pushing, keep going, and just find ways to just continuously motivate yourself, because I know that personally for me was, you know, a little bit of an issue. You have your moments where business is a little slow, you have your moments where business is booming, and then, you know, the in between. And sometimes it's a little bit hard to just be, you know, 100% on top of everything, and that's okay. It's okay to fall off, but it's really just about how you get back up on the horse and how you like push yourself to do better moving forward. Today's video is just really everything that went into planning this shoot, and I kind of just want to show you a little bit of what that looked like for me. If there is one thing to know about me, is that I like to be organized. So for this shoot, I came up with what you would call a brief. And this essentially is exactly everything that I planned on doing this day for my shoot. And things like this, these briefs are kind of what keeps you organized. And let's get right into it. So good morning. Today is photo shoot day. And to be honest, like today's shoot is gonna be very small and intimate. I have 2 models, 3 including myself if I end up shooting, and I am launching 2 new styles. One comes in 2 colors and the other is just one single color. I wish I would have maybe like planned a bigger shoot, but the way that my personal schedule has been set up with my regular like 9 to 5, it's been a little bit busy, so I haven't really gotten the opportunity to plan my 1 year anniversary the way that I wanted to. This is all a part of business, and you know, real life gets busy, but one thing I will not do is neglect my brand, and it's only, you know, improvement and onward and upward from here. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me on my day for my 1 year anniversary photo shoot and what's on our agenda today. First stop is to get our makeup done. Second stop is to drive to the location. Sorry about that. It seems like my camera died in the middle of me talking. But anyways, as you can see, we made it to the makeup artist. Super excited to be here. And I just wanted to give my fellow business owners, small business owners, or people whose this is their first time in business a little bit of a pro tip. So my pro tip for you guys is that you should build yourself a team. And by team, I mean a group of people who you enjoy working with, whether it be models, a makeup artist that you prefer going to, a photographer that you might want to work with to shoot content if shooting content is not something you prefer to do yourself, or even a hairstylist to do your hair or your model's hair for any type of content that you might be shooting. I found this particular makeup artist through a friend. She is a pro makeup artist and she does a lot of industry people's makeup, super popping on Instagram, and I was really excited to work with her. She was very sweet, very professional, and I really enjoyed my services with her. But with that being said, I did find that she was unable to color match me in the correct way. I don't know if it's visible on camera in this moment, but you'll see definitely towards the end of the vlog that my face looks a little bit yellow in comparison to the rest of my body, which I didn't realize in the moment under the studio lights in her salon. Anyways, I requested for my photo shoot a very much sultry, smoky eye, very much nude, and I really enjoyed the eyes portion of this, like I said, but I am very tan in my arms and the rest of my body, and my face is super yellow, so that part of it was a little bit disappointing for me, but it is what it is. My model Lauren, who you'll see pop in right here, she wanted to say hi. She's also a pro makeup artist, so she went home and redid her whole base makeup for her face, and she kept her eyes because the eyes were just so beautiful. You'll just see me like taking pictures and videos of myself for majority of this, and then along with the eyes I really asked for a nude lip, which she killed for each one of us. It just looked so good. I was really grateful that I was able to book her last minute, and she killed it. Next time I think I'll just bring my foundation so my base could match the rest of my skin tone. But yeah, overall I was really pleased with my makeup.
Watch me under her right corner.
All right, you're up next.
You see there's a tag in the front.
You ready?
Okay. Right, in the corner, in the right.
Yeah, it looks really good. We finally made it to the hotel. This is what my makeup ended up looking like. I don't know, the lighting isn't good right now, but I'll fix it. This is the hotel room, super cute. I picked it really because of the decor. I just love how the colors kind of like fit the theme of what I was going for. And these are the lingerie styles that I'm going to be shooting, so that's really exciting. And cute little hallway. The bathroom is here. I'll show you guys a second. Lauren is in the bathroom changing, and I have all of my camera equipment. So yeah, we're gonna get started. I decided to self-shoot this time because it is a smaller collection. Even though it is the 1-year anniversary, I'm only having 2 styles, and I'm just going to be highlighting some of my favorite pieces that I currently sell. And in January, I'm gonna be having another shoot that's gonna be a lot bigger, a few more models, and a lot more styles for Valentine's Day. So let's get started. All right, back to the room tour. This is the bathroom. This is the sink. Me looking real cute or whatever. And then just a tub. So cute. The girls are getting ready. I'm gonna put you guys up and you guys are just gonna watch me shoot. So excited. All right, let's do this. Say hi, Lauren.
Hi.
Okay. She's up first for her first look. Right. Lights are on. Oh, so let's do standing by the window. I think that'll be like a really cute moment. Even with the wine glass in your hand. See, you're on me. Oh, it's in record. I was recording. I forgot I left it in YouTube mode. LOL. Okay. Right? Okay.
Like when you tell me don't stop fucking me. This dick you got you wishing you were stuck with me. You say you can't get enough of me. the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. You be getting so loud. This dick make you so smile. My dick make you pow, pow, pow. Could go ahead and bite that pillow. I'ma do you real slow. I wanna hear you say my name. The way you move, see you in two. Bring your face and don't you move. Let me see you go all the way. Don't you move, girl. Stay right there. Scream all you want, girl. I don't care. Man, this Henny make me fuck you in my feelings. Hard dick, no break, lift your ass up to the ceiling. Dick like Red Bull, give you wing. Let me make that pussy sing like la 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 la. Hey, with the bars, no cello. Pussy good, they has you like mellow. Ass fat and shake like jello. One touch, make it hot like a kettle. Baby, I got all that you need. Won't you come with me? Don't you be shy, give me a pussy. Put your ass to the back and baby spread it wide. I love your frame, you're so exotic. I'ma drink from your body, you're my own fine wine. Don't you move, girl, stay right there. Scream all you want, girl, I don't care. 'Cause I made that pussy till you lose your mind. And off this Henny, so you know I got a lot of time. And baby, this time I'ma kill it this time aside when I come.
So we got look number 1 completed.
Ass fat and shake like jello. One touch, make it hot like a kettle. Baby, I got all that you need. Won't you come with me? Don't you be shy, give me a pussy. Put your ass to the back and baby spread it wide. I love your frame, you're so exotic. I'ma drink from your body, you're my own fine wine. Don't you move, girl, stay right there. Scream all you want, girl, I don't care. 'Cause I made that pussy till you lose your mind. And off this Henny, so you know I got a lot of time.
So we're halfway done with the shoot. We're on look 3, and then we have a 4th look, and then we're done. You said whore.
Whore. Oh. I'm like, what the mice?
Not the mice. Right, we're doing our last couple of scenes. How are you feeling so far?
I'm feeling great. I'm ready to eat. Let's get it over with. Let's eat.
Agreed. So I'm gonna pop you guys right here. And so good. One more time. 1, 2, there you go. And turn around and reach for your rope. Okay. And now we're putting on our robe and about to put makeup. We will grab our makeup bag. Right here. The shoot is finally over. Today's shoot was like such a success. I got a lot of really good shots for the girls and the pieces that I wanted to showcase, so that was really exciting. I got a lot of Instagram content. I got website content in a setting other than a white background, which is really exciting for me because that was a part of my goal for this, to get really, you know, amazing like lifestyle shots. I feel as though I accomplished that, and honestly I am just really excited to see how well these pieces are received by my customers and just everyone who tunes into my brand or watches my brand or appreciates my brand. I'm definitely looking for feedback, and also just for my YouTube family, I definitely would love to hear your opinions and your thoughts on the pieces that I am launching this collection and just my process. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.